They turn it over. It would be a miracle, but we're not going to turn it over.
Can I have my phone, Lex? Why not? I'm the boss.
This is it. Silly.
It's Mommy's. What? The Vikings need you to cheer, Lex. Can you clap? Let me see you clap. Thank you.
Can we block a kick? Is it possible? Oh.
What did she say?
Second timeout.
Is that the other word you've been saying down here?
No.
Week 16.
What, Cubby? What'd you say, Cubby?
5 seconds left.
Lex?
That's when Tom Benson, the owner, thought it was good and that they had won. They eventually lost in overtime, 20-17. That was one of Garrett Hartley's 2.
Okay, we need you to clap, Lex. We need you to cheer.
We need him to miss the kick.
Clap with Dad. We need you. Getting tired? Are you ready for night-nights? No. You're looking kind of tired.
Come on. Oh, God. This is insanity. No!
Sends the Saints to the Super Bowl.
Ugh. Tell me they lost.
Go ahead.
Tubby, we have to cry now. We have to cry like Kylie Ann. Daddy's sad. Yep. Mommy cried too. Is Lexi gonna cry? Well, time for night-night. It's very quiet now around here.
Perfect snap, perfect hold.
Oh, thanks, honey. Nice girl. That's better than any Viking win. Oh, yes. Thank you. I'll give you a kiss. Say, tell Daddy, it's okay, Daddy. Say, it's okay. Tell Daddy, it's okay. Say, it's okay.
What an upset.
Tell Daddy, don't cry. No cry. Go give Daddy a hug. Give Daddy a hug. You're hugging the camera. Blow Daddy a kiss.
Mwah.